Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make big text in Discord. So if you also want to make big text in Discord, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also directly open Discord application. Now after opening the browser, click on the search bar and type www.discord.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Here you can see option for open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now open any chat of your choice, or you can also open the server. So if you want to send the big text on Discord, what you have to do is type hashtag space. Now type your message. Now press enter. Now you can see over here, this is the biggest text that is possible to be sent in Discord. So that is how you make big text in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.